Okay, in this video we're going to talk about add item, and this is the place that you're going to use online to add each individual part. Now there are two different ways to put parts on my part shelf. One is through add item and the other is import CSV, but we'll talk about that when we get to it. The simplest form, of course, is add item. So I'm going to click add item, and it's going to bring up a screen. You're going to see the box on top that never moves, and it's going to do what we want to do. And I'm going to move this down just a little bit. Come on, box. And you see the data field we have here. Alright, we're going to put in a part number, or excuse me, a part name, and we're going to call it ZZZ pump. And the part number is going to be Z1345, manufacturer ZZZ, and the description we're going to put in Z pump, and we're going to say we have it located in bin 37 and that it works on a Maytag G. It's got a cross-reference number of 13578, so you can put anything you want in this data field to include cross-reference numbers for the part, and also a good thing to do is if there are numbers stamped on the part itself, those on there. And the reason is that numbers that are stamped on part, people that are looking for it that are not necessarily in the industry don't know what the true part number is. All they see is what's stamped on the part, and you'll get a lot of hits that way through the system. But what's real important about this field here is that anything that you want to help you connect yourself or have people connect to you in that part, you want to put in this description field, because Google and the major search engines actually spider this data. So it's important that you have good data in there. The next thing, of course, is going to be quantity. So we got 12 of them. The price, $56.70. That's what you want to sell it for. Oops. $56.70. Salvage price. This is an interesting line here. And what that's about is, let's say that you scrap out older appliances because you know there's a certain timer that's real valuable, but know about it. Or say that somebody had bought a brand new appliance from a box store, and the box got crushed, and so basically all the parts in the appliance are brand new, they've just never been used. So we've got one of those and it has that pump in it, so I'm going to get $25 for that. And wholesale price. This, of course, is what you paid for the new pump. So let's say you paid $17.89. That's important because remember I told you that my part shelf is first and foremost an inventory control program, and that number, the $17.89, of course, in your list price, depicts your markup or how you're doing business. And when we get to manage items, you're going to see where all those numbers play a part in the listing of all the parts. Once you've done all that, you have to click add part, and after you've added the part, the field's blank and you're ready to start adding another part. It's that simple. If you go up to the top of the page here now, you notice that we've talked about home, edit profile, search, add item. The next thing on our list is manage item, and this is probably the most powerful link on this whole website, so I'm going to make a video for that alone. Thank you.